Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Sorry about the dog walking, folks. Today we're going to be swimming some Gypsophila paniculata from Thompson Morgan, hardy perennial. Yeah, first of all, with these are the instructions. It says here, sow under glass February, March, April. I've got heated propagators, and these are hardy perennial. So just so you can read all the instructions are there. Pause it and go back and read. First of all, I'm using this cocoa coir. A little bit filling this up to just about an inch, half an inch below the top. Just give it a good spread about. And use my little tapper like so. Just get it all nice and level. I'll be showing 4 different varieties of seeds in here. I've only got quite a small greenhouse, so instead of using 1 tray per plant, I like to use 3 or 4 per flower seed per plant. So yeah, I've got my black gloves on today because for some reason my hands just don't agree with this whatsoever. So we'll get these open. These were sown, I think I sowed some last year. So yeah, no, it's not even open, that packet, which is great. This brand new packet, just get the rubbish off. So yeah, there's an average of 600 seeds in here. I'm not going to mess about because I've got these black gloves on. So what I'm going to do is just sow the seed like so. Sow all those there, like so. And just use a fine sprinkling of compost over the top. Get a little tap down. And that's those done. Just name tag them now, Gypsophila. And that's those name tagged. Like I said, they're ideal for flower arranging. They look really good in bouquets, on your windowsills, in your kitchen. So if you've got any questions about how to grow Gypsophila, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please like and subscribe. Say bye, monkey. Bye, Paul. Bye, monkey. Bye, everybody.